One of the most important things about buying a ring is to know the correct size, and I'm here to help you with that today with our free multi-sizer tool. I'm just going to show you how to use this. When you take it out of the packet, it's like a mini belt for your finger. So what you need to do is the size that you think you're closest to, and it's very easily adjustable. I'm going to put it to a size 7 for me. When I slide it on my hand, as you can see, it's too big. So I'm going to move it down to a size 6. Now, you can see there's a little bit of a force over the knuckle, but I still have some room down here. I have all this excess here, and the thing not to do is to tighten it like that on the finger, because then you can't get it over the knuckle. So I've loosened it again, I've put it back to the size 6, and look how easy it slips on and off. You should have a little bit of a push over the knuckle and a little bit of room down the end, and that's your perfect size. There you go, nice and easy. If you have any questions, pick up the phone, give us a call, we're here to help.